to Rai Boutique. This is my third episode. If you like my video, please like, share, subscribe and don't forget to press the bell icon. Today I am going to show you some beautiful Bengal handloom sarees. They are exclusive. Now let me start with saree number 1. This is an orange, green and pink saree. Please have a look at the pallu. All of you, please have a look at the pallu. Please see the saree. It is a horizontal stripe. Please don't think that horizontal stripe you will look shorter or you will look broader. Don't ever think like that, because when you drape the saree has a different, it looks very different. Look at the saree. The saree will look like this. And we can always wear a printed blouse like this. This blouse will go very well with the saree. This blouse will go very well with the saree. It's a cotton printed blouse. Now we'll go to saree number 2. This is a fish motif saree. Please, all of you see the motifs. They are so beautifully woven. The tatis, they take a lot of time to make these sarees. Please look at the achal. And please see the saree, it's all over, the booty is going like this. All over, all over. All of these sarees, they have a blouse piece in running. But I suggest you wear something printed, or if you have a solid color blouse, red, or if you have a red ikat blouse, that will look very nice with this saree. This is the saree. The price of the saree is 3,600. 3,600. Saree number 3. Saree number 3. This is a cotton baluchuri saree. And the price of this saree is 3,500. Cotton baluchuri. We are all very familiar with silk baluchuri. They are very famous. But this is cotton baluchuri. Please look at the pallu. Achulta dekhun. And please look at the booties also. They are so beautifully woven. And the color is a very, very summer soothing color. You can wear, it also has a running blouse piece, but we can wear any printed blouse. These sarees are very big in its width and in its length. So those who are tall, they don't have anything to worry. You can also wear it with a checked blouse like this. With this type of blouse also you can wear it. This also looks very nice. Sari number 4. This is again another Baluchari sari. The price of this sari is 3,600. Please look at this sari. The color is also summer friendly and the sari is also very pretty. This is a traditional sari. I think a solid color blouse will do very nice with this sari. এক রঙের ব্লাউজ পরুন, এটা দিয়ে খুব ভালো লাগবে। Sari number 5. The price of this sari is 2,900. This is a beautiful sari. This is in navy blue and the border is Ganga Jamuna, one side orange, one side pink. And it has got a blouse piece. Please look at the blouse piece and you must make this blouse. It will go very nice with this sari. And this is the blouse piece. This is the blouse piece. The aanchal and the blouse piece is the same. Sari number 6. Sari number 6. This is a yellow sari. You know, yellow especially is the color for Boshanto, and please look at it. This is and please look at the booty. This also has a Ganga Jamuna border. And you can wear it with this blouse. You can also wear it with this ikat blouse. This will give a rich look to the sari. Sari number 7. The price of this sari is 3,600. Please see the aanchal of the sari. They are woven like the pattern of Assam silk. In the pattern of Assam silk. Look at the booties. Look at the booties. This is a very, very beautiful sari. Very beautiful. The fish motifs. There are fish motifs. And you can always wear it with this type of blouse. This type of blouse. You can wear it with this type of blouse. This will look very nice. Now sari number 8. This is again another same sari with a different color. That was in green and this is in grey. $3,600. Price of the sari is 3,600. Grey is always an elegant color. You can wear something black jewelry with it, or you can also go with some golden jewelry. You can wear a blouse like this with it. You can wear a blouse like this with it. Sari number 9. The price of this sari is 3,200. This is sari number 9. This is another sari which is black in color. Look at the pallu. And all of you please see the booties. They have been done so beautifully woven. So beautifully woven. The pallu is woven in a Manipuri style. We can wear a blouse like this with this sari. A blouse, this type of blouse. The price of this sari is is 3200. The price of the sari is 3200. This is a Matha part sari. Or it is also called a hot part sari. These are very famous in Odisha. The price of this sari is 3800. 3,800. The price of the sari is 3,800. As we all know, in Poila Boishakh we generally wear lal red and off-white sarees. They are very much in demand. So I have got some options for you. You can have a look at it. We can wear it with a ikat blouse like this. With a ikat blouse. We can wear it with this type of blouse. The price of the saree is it has got a own blouse piece. It has a own blouse piece. It's 3,000. The price of the saree is 3,000. Another red and white saree. This has got a matha part, and you see the body. Please see the saree. It has got a katha stitch done all over it. The katha is done, is woven. It is not hand katha, it is woven. The blouse piece is in, this is the blouse piece, and the price of the saree is 3,000. The price of the saree is 3,000. Another red and white saree. These sarees are very, very exclusive. You can wear it in any corporate party, or you can go to a regular office wear. Please look at this saree. This also you can wear it with a red ikat blouse. Red ikat blouse. Because it has got a plain thing, you can wear it with a red ikat blouse. You can wear it with a red ikat blouse. The price of the saree is 3,600. 3,600. Saree number 14. Saree number 14. The price is 3,200. 3,200. Look at this saree. This is a very, very exclusive saree. And hats off to the person who has woven this saree. Just see. It looks like embroidery, but it is fully woven saree. It's a fully woven saree. Wear a solid color blouse with it. The whole saree is like this. Full saree is like this. Saree number 15. Sari number 15. The price of the sari is 3,800. This is another pot sari that I had shown you before. It's in grey. It's in grey. Very famous saris of Orissa. Look at the fish motifs. They are so beautifully done. The whole sari is like this. The blouse piece is in running. But if you wear a solid color blouse or a ikat blouse, it will look very beautiful. And if you want the sari that I am wearing, this is also available in the store. Please look at the achal. This is so beautifully woven. This is so beautifully woven. And you can wear this color blouse. Please give me the blouse piece. Yes. You can wear this type of blouse also. This will look very nice. Thank you for watching my video.